Welcome surfers. UNIMATRIx is an open source tool for creating simulated AI societies. In today's video, we'll see how to launch a new simulation, using LM Studio as the inference engine. First of all, let's take a look to how LM Studio is set up to reach our goal of create this society. First of all, we need a model. In this specific case, I used Phi3, Microsoft model. It's a very small model, but it's good to work only on GPU for my specific hardware. And this model can be loaded by this interface on our server. If you change the tab and go in the developer section, you can find all the developer configuration, and with this toggle you can run a new server reachable at this address. And in my case, in this server, I already have a loaded model that is Phi for Reasoning Plus. Perfect. When LM Studio is ready to be used as inference server, we can start to set up our UNIMATRIx session. In the GitHub page, you can find all the instruction, but it's really easy to start a new simulation. So we can do these things together. First of all, we can clone the repository. So git clone UNIMATRIx. Now we need a virtual environment to install all the libraries and all the dependencies. We install all our virtual environment inside the .venv folder. Now we can install the dependencies. So I start the new environment and I can run pip install with -e argument. Perfect. Now the virtual environment is ready to use, so the next step is to run the UNIMATRIx module. Our server is ready and our simulation can be started. So let's go in the UI. Here we go. To start a new simulation, I can simply select a specific JSON from the config folder and hit the Run Simulation button. Sometimes is needed, but as you can see from here, our inference server already work on the generation needed to the first tick of the simulation. This is all. It's very easy to install and start a simulation with UNIMATRIx. So you can try with a custom configuration for your specific hardware, and don't forget to keep your thinking cap on.